Hello learners, myself Dr. Sachin Bhaskar Narkede, Principal of Srimati BNB Swaminarayan Pharmacy College, Salwa, Vapi. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Introduction to the Pharmacognosy. So learning outcomes of this topic. First, we will know about pharmacognosy, that meaning of pharmacognosy. Second, sources of crude drug. Third, types of crude drug. Fourth, classification of pharmacognosy. Fifth, future and need of pharmacognosy. These are the learning outcomes of this topic. What is pharmacognosy? Pharmacognosy, the word obtained from pharmakon, means a drug, and gignosko, means to acquire knowledge. Both are the Greek word. Cognosco means to know about. This is the Latin word. So the definition of pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is scientific systematic study of physical, chemical, structural characters and uses of crude drugs, along with history, distribution, cultivation, collection, processing for market and preservation. So first we discuss about sources of crude drug. Did you know the different sources of crude drug? So please pause the video, write down the name of different natural drugs which is obtained from nature and then play the video. So sources of crude drugs are first the source of the crude drug which is obtained from animal, plant, mineral, marine. So these are the different sources of crude drug. The plant is the major source of crude drug. Pharmacognosy is related to botany, ethnobotany, marine biology, microbiology, herbal medicine, chemistry, nothing but mainly the focusing on phytochemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics. These are the different part related with pharmacognosy. Types of crude drug. First is organized crude drug that we call as a cellular crude drug. These are the cells of the plant like leaf, fruit, flower, stem, bark, etc. This also we call as a part of the plant. Unorganized part that we call as a acellular. Nothing but it is obtained from the plant like gum, resin, exudes, extract, etc. Crude drug classified by as alphabetical, taxonomical classification that we called as a botanical classification, morphological classification on basis of morphology, organized crude drug and unorganized crude drug, pharmacological classification and chemical classification based on the chemical constituent. Why do we need the plants? Plants is the major source of the drug molecules. Most of the drug which is synthesized from the plant sources. So there is a more economical reason for the plant. Plant example of such plant like papaver, opium, morphine, codeine. These are the constituent which is obtained from papaver opium. Ergot fungus like the drug which is obtained ergotamine, ergometrin. Ergotamine which is used in the migraine, headache and ergometrin which is used in the uterine muscles, direct action on uterine muscles. Natural drug future. So in that 80% of the world population rely on natural remedies. So First point, the westernization of society means the non-Western culture will adopting the traditional drugs. Extermination of species, nothing but complete destruction of species. So there is a need of conservation of species and retention of the gene pools. Natural resources exhausted. Nowadays, natural resources are going to decline. So there is a need of cultivation or artificial propagation of the rare species is needed. So conclusion, natural products are very important to medicine, exist in range of structure that one wouldn't think of synthesizing, can act as a template for new drug development, untapped reservoir of new compound. So these are the conclusion of this topic. So thank you all. Thank you so much for listening.